Hello and welcome to this quick webinar introduction to the World of Tomorrow writing competition with Education Boutique and eTeach. We're really excited to bring you the details of our exciting international creative writing competition. I'm going to be talking you through how to enter and also what we're looking for to help you create the perfect story. We're really excited to read your entries and we can't wait to see those of you who are successful at making it into the book and becoming published authors. So just a little bit of housekeeping about getting involved and all the details. So the things you need to know: your story should be no longer than 500 words. The theme, as we've already talked about, is the world of tomorrow. And we really want you to just go crazy with your ideas about how that's going to, how you might put that into a story. If you've heard about the competition through social media, check your school are involved. Ask your teacher or your head teacher. If you heard about the competition through your school, don't forget to tell your friends about it. Deadline for entries is the 30th of September at 9 AM. Stories must be typed, please. Remember to send your name and your school name with your entry. Winners will be announced in October and entries will be published into a book. Now for Key Stage 3 and 4. That's Year 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. In this category, we are delighted and so excited to read your stories, but we have got a few things that we'd like you to think about. First of all, the word innovation. Thinking about the future of tomorrow, or the world of tomorrow. Now for Key Stage 3 and 4, that's Year 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. The first word we'd like you to consider when starting to create your story is innovation. When we think about the world of tomorrow, there's so much that's going to be created and so much innovation that's going to happen. So we'd love to see what you think will happen in the future and to really take the time and think on a deeper level about the problems, the benefits that's going to give to humankind in the future. Next of all is style. Think about the style of your writing. With a story, you might choose to write first person, third person, even second person. So really do consider how your style of writing is going to help you stand out from the crowd. 500 words is not long, so you will really have to give that a good thought. Devices. We'll be looking for an engaging range of literary devices sprinkled through your writing. Think about how you might create these and also think about how you're going to structure your planning to ensure that you can show off all the devices and all the writing skills that you've developed at school. Next, we want you to think about painting a vivid image in the reader's mind. We're really looking for high quality description to wow the judges and just bring us on that journey, leading on to our last thing that we'd like you to think about, taking your reader on a journey of emotions. So how can you create little twists and turns in your 500 words to keep your reader engaged all the way through and not quite always on top of what's going to happen next? Really, really good luck for your writing. Think about planning. Make sure that you do take time to plan out your paragraphs and work on how you're going to create that twisting and turning journey for your reader to engage, excite, and enthrall them. Good luck.